say that poetry is life, some say that poetry is love, and some say that poetry is therapy, and I say poetry is what you need to watch every time, every day. Gatandla nenkondlo vita lami ngifortunate ngoba mabuze ngethemba ukuthi uphilile lapho ukhona khona. Uyathi ke mbukela ukuthi nasibona fortune sikhathe poetry, sikhathe ukuthi ufunze wena umsebenzi wetandla. Naka pha ngiyakujaja ukuthi nje wena sola ukhona egocota nje liphepha lesweet mane wende lici. Anyways, sinayeke Ndiso the poet namhla uthasicaceka kabanti ukuthi ufika kanjani ka poetry. Phinze lokuba ngisonkondlo mbamba yini noma nje uthena no I'm Ndiso the poet wagcina khona lapho.
Ayi bakithi. Bathi senginekudidana umcomvo mangivonse emagama lamanye ngiwaphangisa lwami ilwimi nekhaya inkondlo kube ngathi intagothanya sigodlo mangigadla mina kuyangiphelela kudlala kudlange umcomvo ekudlala ngemagama bakagama sanibonani nginibona nonke manje bengivusela special bakagama bathi senginekuphimisa emagama ekuphilisa bathi ngifana neniphilisi labagulako ngiyaphilisa bathi senginekudidana umcomvo mangivonse emagama lamanye ngiwaphangisa lwami ilwimi nekhaya inkondlo kube ngathi intagothanya sigodlo mangigadla mina kuyangiphelela kudlala kudlange umcomvo ekudlala ngemagama ngithi bakagama sanibonani nginibona nonke manje bengivusela special bakagama ngisho ngwagibete emagama kuhle kwemgibe mangiganza ngiye esandleni ngiphethe sigila tinsizwa tiyobe tigitsa titha mathifuna kungila kuyosita tigubha umgotsi ngoba ngiganzaya futhi ngingcwabe ndipitshite kuhle kweliphela phela emphinjeni angeke ngiphele amandla ngiyohluleka ngitamile futhi ngimile mathi ngimela titha tami kube kuthatha kusa ngempilo yami hayi kona ngifisa kuvusa hlobo letilele mathuneni ngoma nyendile bamfulobe lingifufumeta mase ngifuphuka kanye nalo la kangwane ayi bakithi ngundiswa the poet
Bukela itandla lenkondlo senginaye Ndiswa the poet ngisho kahle mos
ngisho kahle
Ndiswa vusela umbukele ekhaya and introduce yourself
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya ngibito lami lonke seliphelele ngingisindiswa ngakwamkhwanazi kepha ngabona kwelijuba ngathi ngindiswa the poet
Ufika kanjani ka poetry nongesivetela nje umlando wakho kancane
Oka poet ngafika ngicale high school
Okay
ka form 1 so ngamitha lomnye umjida besifana naye bathi ngimelizwe so melizwe bengimsaba ukungisaba bathi savana naye and wangifundisa kubhala bengikuthanza kepha ngencothi bengingapholi isikhathi sekubhala ngathi sengibona ngcono wangibhalisa wathi suyangibheka
Okay nako bangani bakho iveta kanjani ukuthi wena uyipoet
Bacela ukungibona ngihambe emasomvo bebangibita emasomveni ngayicela emncane ngihambe emasomvo and bengishade ekholo asitini nanyalo ngishayiste ekholo so bengishade ekholo angihle ngifunze ephepheni mabe ngikhohliwe but nyalo ngathemba sengufaka engqomveni
like
ngiyakubamba
Okay
yeah
Naku ke soyaqala uyaperforma emasonveni lesibinzi sekumembi kwebamvu bosithatha kuphi udiyatibhalela konke yini kwendeka kanjani nawungasivetela nje sitositana nangu sonkondlo sekhaya losolo athina uyipoet but asmart so liyatifihla
angiyatibhalela tinkondlo cishe tonke and labo sengicela melizwe njengoba ngumphathi sengumbita ngemphathi
Okay
kodwa ngifundzisa sengicamela ukuthi melizwe ngicaba ukuvisana i-right yini athi ayi i-right isibinzi sengimembi kwebamvu bekude indlela yekubabalekela cause vele ngitawugcine ngimile cause bengibhalisa nje angicela kusho ipoem but alright manje bese ngibhalisile ukuthi indlela yekhansela ukuthi isengesaba futhi kusaba emehle bamvu akusidi lo
Okay Okay poetry yakho uthi uyicala na usafunza right Okay bekini aim yakho uyicala esikolweni nako uyema embi kwebamvu uya recite what was your aim bofise ukachieve in
ukuthi ngiphakame ngenkondlo cause imvule ngiyithandzako kulikhona bengikuthanza so ngathi ngicala nje ma emlayinini bangithakasela bamkhozi bengiphuma kudance ngicanda but angithi lo yavela ufuna kubukwa bengijayiva manje ngaphuma kujayiveni cause ngabona athi bathi lo ufuna kubuka but ngangaba nako athi melize bamba yohlezi bakhuluma khona labatakuthanza khona labatanginyanya
Okay
asengiyabonga ngaqale ke saperforma kulomnyalo ophelile ka Divine samba ngesikolo yeah
So ekhaya wayi-introduce kanjani indaba yakho ye-poetry and wenda kanjani ukuthi bakwethembe ukuthi hayi lemvula yendako ngeke izimise wena
Abengihle ngibabale balalelisa mele benginenayo iphone bengibabukelisa melizwe bathi uyatshaya ushade ikhola incumbi yakhona
Okay
athi uyatshaya bongafunza lokho bebayinyanya idance ekhaya angathi uthi bebanyenyela bathi hayi funza lokho ngakufunza bengisaba kubatshalo ukuthi sengengisonkondlo because bengicantsa ngeke bangithembe kangako but ngikongicala kwabe kungibone Somfeni ngiperform.
As a poet, umlayito umuntu lozama ukuhambisa to the people.
Ongihambisa tekukholwa ukuthi ukhona uNkulunkulu futhi yaphila. Ngihambisa lokho and bese sengiyatshaka naletinye let like it fun nje happy if ufuna kungibita emaphathini. Lase liyasukuma likhehla lelidzala lathi hayi ngemsimvo bamfa bami. Ngicela nithule nive naleliphimbo lenginishiya nalo namuhla ningakashoni qaphela lingaze likushonele futhi usithi uqaphele labo bangani ohleka nabo ngoba mhlawumbe ngibola bakuciphile ukuthi once waphumelele empilweni bakuthela phasi hayi nine ngiyanivuma mani ninesibinzi sekuhleka nabo ngisho banihleba yize bavethe umhlatho egcina mabahlihitheka ngetinhlito tabo bagadi ibodi ngawe hey qaphela bangani ungumngani kepha egcineni yogcina ngumgango empilo yakho uma usuqala ukuphumelela kuqala nginaye hayi nine ngithi ngiyanivuma mani ngicela nivumele inkondla inatise ngoba noyikhumbula seyingasekho nine nithi mani bashiyani bafulathela basale bona bahliphaneka ngalokubi ngeligama lakho hayi bakithi ngithi nine mani bashiyani bafulathela bona basala bahliphaneka ngalokubi ngeligama lakho ngithi uba baqaphela bangani lanka ngemagama emfanyana lomncane nje losematilongweni uthi simbona nje akusiyinsamvo yakhe lapha khona akusiko kuthanza kwakhe ikusiyinzawo yakhe inzawo yakhe kusenyuvesi ufundzela kuba netiqu tebudokotela kepha ngenxa yeligwayi natshwala ngiko lokwambulalele maphupho akhe hey kanye nebangani qaphela bangani ayi bakithi ngundiswa the poet.
What can you say to umfana esikole lokubukelako njenganyalo lo ngisonkondlo uyesaba kubavetele ekhaya ukuthi unelitalent asesithi ke maybe akasasi poet kuphela but unaleli khono lakhe maybe yadraw noma yahlabela but uyesaba kubatshela ekhaya angabatshela kanjani kuze ukuthi bathi umthemba
angabachazela ababukelise nemavideo if sekaqala ukuperforma entatini sibinzi konke vele kuqala ekhaya angeke uphume uyoperforma ephandle babe bangade ekhaya konke kuqala ekhaya uhlala phansi nje nebami labadzala ubatekele lokubhalile bevona ukuthi hayi right mabatakisita khona bathi hayi shano naka angeke banginqabele angiboni ukuthi bangangincabela
okay kubo sonkondlo ke labafisile kufana nawe o lababonayo ngazi ukuthi hayi ngibhudilo tasida lona tandla takho tivuleke kangakanani
ativulekile nje uyeta ifuthanza ungicele ngikwendise nami njengoba bangisida because vele wonke umuntu ngumumvu ngabami
okay batali bakwethembeni ngebamfa babondiswa asesithi nje maybe wakamakhelwane nemfana lo difunzela bo grade 3 grade 4 yasho ukuthi mina manje ngiyathanza letinkondlo ngihlala ngimbona futhi ndisa adenda lapho noma ubuka iage ukuthi ngikhona nginakala bana 15 kuyetulu wenda kanjani lapho
anginaki age
okay
age because likhono nje likhono lakho mhlawumbe utawudala nalo but uvese ona 7 years uthi yathi ngicela kufana nawe ngifuna kufana nawe bekusifiso sami sethi ngifane nawe ngiyakusita ngubhalise ngithi shano naku ukusho ukubambe ngengqomvo
okay what are your future plans ka poetry
ukuthi ngikhuphuke ngigcine ngemkhulu ka poetry banginangizanisi bangibide konke nje ngibendele ezibe bafuna bona
okay
ngibe ukuthi fiso tami letho ukuthi ngikhuphuke ngize ngigcine ngemkhulu kulela kangwane
okay kulisito loldzingako kuze ukuthi ugcine uLondiswa the poet lothi na uvuke ekseni uhlala umbona ukuthi nangi yalo muntu lengifuna kufana naye ngaba lisito lwani nje
ukuthi bangifollowishe
okay
bo TikTok Instagram FB YouTube konke bangifollowishe bangimeme into kulamalanga ngisahlehla ngisakaqala ngangikhokhisa ngiyahlehla ngihlehlela inkosi because ngiyade ukuthi ngiyelwa ngiyeta lelikhona so bangibide umuntu futhi angibona aphinza ngibide naye kukanjalo
okay but lothi hayi ndiswa phela kumele usithengise ingwidi uyavuma kuye noma uthi hayi ngiyahlehla mina kuphela nje
angiyavuma ukunika lokufunako lokuphuma enhlitweni yakho
okay okay nasi kufollowisha ke ndiswa ka social media sisesha sibhale kuthini
ndiswa the poet
ndiswa the poet ku TikTok Instagram Facebook
ka FB ngisonkondlo ndiswa
okay
sonkondlo ndiswa nje kulamanye ngidiswa the poet
bese thine ke le solo sinabo bombombo senda njani sikuthola kanjani
angiyapholakala ecingweni enombolweni ethi 7981 9826 ngubani wakholwa ngumbiko wethu ngubani wakholwa ngumbiko wethu wona umkhono wasimakadze wembulwa ngibani Lena mvotsi ayide buhle nebebukhosi ukuthi sikhange sisondzele kiyo lebebonakala ukuthi nako beyitselelwa yaliwe bamfu ungumumfu etinsizda bekwetayele kuhlupheka impela wabephala buthakathaka befu watetshasa netinhlungu tefu noko sayithatha ngecishaya uNkulunkulu kofa yagwaza ngenxa yetiphambuko tefu umtimba wakhe wagcwala emanxeba kungenxa yesono sami nawe lena mvotsi ngithi yayide buhle nebebukhosi ukuthi sikhange sisondzele kiyo lebebonakala ukuthi nako beyitselelwa yaliwe bamfu ungumumfu etinsizda bekwetayele kuhlupheka wafihlitwa ngenxa yekona kwethu kude thina sibe nekuthula ingakothula ngisho Lazarus lele ngekuthula wesomandla usithi usiphe amandla ekulwa ngesikhali sakamoya ngoma selive sinamandla ngikhuluma lamagama ngisho ngibuka umoya he. He is the father to the fatherless. He is the mother to the motherless. He is the kings of the kings, the lion of Judah, the conqueror. He is the healer to the sickness, the provider to those who are poor by his name. Sinemhlobo longalakahlani ongajikelani kuphela nje ungumngani lohlala nawe noma simo sibucayi kanjani. Ayi bakithi bathi lo ngisonkondlo lophimise emagama ekuphilisa bathi ufana neliphilisi labagulayo kuyabaphilisa mine ngingumphilisi ingane liphimbo lami liyaphilisa ngundiswa the poet.
Sonkondlo lophumisa emagama ekuphilisa, that was in this other poet ngithi about uthi jabulele tinkondlo takhe ungasabi phaka kumthinta ndiswa usho ukuthi ayiphuthi ndiswa mnengala ngisonkondlo ngifisile ngenda lemfolo yendako ungayinzawo ke mbuke hlala phansi sitawushiya khona ititolo nasibuya sitabuya naye Londa umsebenzi wetandla. Bukele lihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo siyabonga ukuthi wena ukhethile wathi cha ngilohlala phansi ngibukele lona lihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo yathi masikuthi la khaya yathini siyakulethela labo labendayo yona imisebenzi yetandla namhla ke sivakashele Melisa wakhona la eMbabane lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla mina ngihlanga sinangibona umsebenzi lona etitolo ngithi man wendiwe somewhere wasetshenziswa imishini kanti cha wendiwa ngibo bamfu ngetandla tawo.
Thank you so much for having me. My name is Melisa Achipli. I'm 23 years old. I'm currently a student at Limpopo University. I'm pursuing my international tourism, associate degree in international tourism. Yes, I'm an entrepreneur.
Okay, as an entrepreneur, I was banding. What is it that you're doing?
All right, currently I make hair bonnets, like from scratch. I make hair bonnets, hair scrunchies, clips. I also do crocheting, like this top I'm wearing, any type of design. Yeah.
Okay.
Basically handwork. Yeah.
All right. So what's nini gwenda lolo gwenda gonyana?
During COVID time.
Okay.
Yeah, during COVID time. I think, okay, the idea came 2020. Then I officially opened the business in 2021. Yeah, so it's been 4 years. This year will be 5 years.
Okay. Did you go to school for it or self-taught?
No, I didn't go to school for it. Okay, the crocheting, I learned it in school, in primary. Then the sewing, my mom taught me how to sew because she's a seamstress also. So I would like look at her sewing and like, oh, it sounds interesting. Let me try to do something for myself. And then it started from there, yeah.
Okay, so yini lena legu kwenda ukuthi uqhubeke uwende lo msebenzi wakho since COVID soluyawenda. What is it that motivates you each and every day that you know what? Go keep pushing, keep going.
Well, what actually motivates me is the way I love working with my hands. Okay. Like even since primary school, my teachers were like, yo, I must like continue with my handwork because it's really good when doing projects. It will come out perfectly. And I wouldn't believe, but then as time went on, I could see that I can do this. So I have to like continue, even if it's tough. Sometimes it's really tough with like the customers, they don't understand, but I try by all means to like, you know what, let me just keep pushing. I know where I want to be.
Okay, now you are dealing with customers, yini yendago to show them, you know what, I can do this and I want you guys to come back for it.
Okay, what I normally do is like maybe if someone orders, then they like ask me, what do I have? Can I show the like pictures and all that? Then I like, okay, I have some pictures I can show you with like the prices. You can just let me know what color you want and how you want it. If you want it a bit bigger or like they just elaborate on how they want it, then I'm like, all right, no problem. Then they ask for samples because that is important. They're like, okay, have you done something before? Then I'm like, yeah, I'll just send them the pictures straight. And they're like, oh, this is nice. when they come and collect, I always make sure they must open to see if it's like the correct thing they wanted. And so far it's been good. No complaints, no nothing.
Okay, umbukele ke lo munye naye lofisa ukukusupporta angete kula ma customer lo nawe. Wenda ini nani like store wathi konke ukuthi okay nangifuna maybe itop ungasayi kuyoyithenga esitolo. Let me just go to Melisa ngayithola.
Okay, look singakwende lo customer tsinge okay, first of all singangisendele isithombe.
Okay.
Angitshele ne size yakhe, the accurate size ukuthi oh in size 28, 32, 35 yabo. Angitshengise ukuthi okay ngifuna ukuthi kubeka kanje hayi kanje. Then uyeta for a measurements if ayathengakala like for skipa lama crotchets and items uyeta for a measurements or sihlangana e-town ngimlethela endlini. Then from there we take it from there. Yeah.
Okay. Kuthatha isikhathi esinganani nje kwenda itop?
Okay, crocheting yo kungisebenzi so it normally takes a week depending le design ukuthi injani. Yeah, normally takes a week or two.
Okay.
Because if it's like a one piece, yeah, a week or two. But if it's like two piece, maybe 2 to 4 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ipage nakho la ka Facebook ngimile ngidibene nema hair bonnets nema ribbons. Wenda ini nani nje like na ungabala umbukela towati ukuthi cha if ngithenga something ngeke ngisahlupheka ngalali. Melisa is my girl.
Okay, and like my hair bonnets, very different types of hair bonnets. We have the all silk one, we have iraffle. We have a band, then we have loifasago, and then we have like a mother and daughter bonnet, nakona, around those categories. And yeah, I also do like pajamas now. I recently started like my pajama. Ngibo futhi labangicela ukuthi yathi angizame ukudela ama pajamas, and I'm like, yo, all right, let me practice first, and then see how it goes.
So what are my future plans at Tin?
Well, I am hoping like to open my own shop, like one day. That's the goal. Like maybe I can also like employ people to come work, like or do collaborations, and yeah, that's the future goal.
Okay, so sisakhuluma nje ngalo ukuthi ufisile ukuthi in the future uqashe bamfu. Are you teaching other people around or uma mfolo tokuta kuwe abe ne interest ukuthi yathi ngiyafisa ukuphilisa nganaku ungangisida yini?
Okay, so far good, but mostly bacela ama advice ukuthi labantu labafuna ukuqala ama business abo. What's it better like in oh, how did you start? What can I do? I don't have money. Then I'm like, the little that you have, just start. Don't let the idea sit on you and be like, oh, next day I'll start. The moment you have the idea, because the more you postpone that, your dream won't come true.
Okay, siseta ke it's in the Sanza team for Melisa ukuthi utosendela. Uyayu advise ukuthini? Sitanale
okay.
Na le material or
no, i-material ngiyadithengela for lama bonnets.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiyadithengela and the wool ngiyadithengela unless the customer says, oh, okay, ngicela ukudilithela mina i-wool yami ungendeli. Yeah, because sometimes bakhuluma ngama prices so I just adjust. But okay, you know what? Ungaletha i-material yakho or ungaletha like i-wool yakho ndokucharge kanje. Yeah.
Okay. Any advice longani ngetaba mfubami labasebenza ngetandla tabo? Maybe wende macasi or wende macici ungamkhuthata uthini?
Ngamkhuthata ukuthi akaqhubeke, anga give up because it's really not easy. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuphumelela la emhlabeni. So even if lama challenges akhona, kufanele ukuthi uqhubeke udiphushe. Bantu vele batokhuluma. Singojayele ukuthi abantu batokhuluma but lokho kungakulethela iphasi yabo. Sine baqhubeke baphushe bathandaze nakhona.
Okay, this is a TikTok supporter sekuthola kanjani your social media pages?
Okay, social media pages, I'm on Facebook, it's EMA Bonnets by Lisa, Instagram and TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah, and then WhatsApp is 79402613.
Kepha ngasuka kaTandlane enkondlo yephi nebakithi kepha ke isikhathi sithi cha senidawubukela kuleli viki lelitako hayi nama ngikho right ngiyathi ukuthi nawe awukho right man ngoba usafunza lapha ngidiswa wafunza phindze nakumelisa ukuthi kolosha kanjani phindze ma reborn indiwa kanjani yabona mos wathi futhi ukuthi le business wena noma ingayini noma ngabe kuthengisa amantongomane noma ngayini lokucabangako kungiko ngabe seke sobuka umuntu lo dokujudge ngoba yena a right athi hayi lokho ku wrong bahamba ngetimoto mina ngahlebela nje silaba bebemsebenzi yetandla nabo sonkondla oh dawusala sitabona imbukele efike netawo ngasesikhathi sifana ko goodbye and God bless.